Spring is a season of renewal, a time to clear out the old and make space for new beginnings. While many of us focus on decluttering our homes, we often forget about spring cleaning our health. Just like our closets need a refresh, so do our bodies, especially when it comes to hormonal balance. On today's show, I'll share 5 essential steps you can take to reset your hormones, boost energy, and regain control over your well-being. So friend, if you're ready to spring into action and declutter your health from the inside out, then grab a notebook and pen and let's dive in. Hey friend, welcome to Integrative Medicine for Energy and Health. Are you struggling with low energy, excessive weight, chronic fatigue, imbalanced hormones, or body aches and pains that are robbing you of enjoying life? If you're ready to take the guesswork out of living a healthier life, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Rekishia. I'm a mom, honorably retired Air Force veteran, award-winning author, social worker, and Christian alternative medicine provider. For years, I tried improving my health through conventional medicine and nothing worked until I finally found a simple strategy that was easy and fun. This podcast will provide you with natural ways to increase energy, lose weight, regulate hormones, and improve your mood. If you're ready to live, look, and feel better, grab your favorite cup of herbal tea and let's jump in. Welcome back to Integrative Medicine for Energy and Health, your go-to podcast for natural health, weight loss, energy, and balanced hormones. I'm your host, Rekishia McMillan, and I am so excited to have you here today. As we wrap up Women's History Month, I just want to take a moment to reflect on how inspiring it's been to interview some amazing women over these past few weeks. Their stories of health, empowerment, and transformation have been nothing short of incredible. I hope you've enjoyed these conversations as much as I have. And now as we step into spring, a season of renewal and fresh starts, I want to invite you to join me for a powerful 21-day journey with my Feel Great with Get Fit 21 Spring Clean and Refresh. This experience is all about shedding extra weight, boosting energy, and balancing hormones in a fun and supportive environment. There are just a few spots left for this month's group, so if you're ready to refresh your health, now is the time. Join at a special discounted rate with complimentary coaching. Just click the link in today's show notes to sign up today. You know, before I became a health coach, I enjoyed working out, especially being in the military. I loved movement, but I wasn't truly living a holistic lifestyle. I was still eating things that were depleting my energy and wreaking havoc on my hormones. I didn't realize that I needed a health maintenance plan. Think about it. We maintain our cars, we maintain our homes, but how often do we take the same level of care with our bodies? I wasn't maintaining my body the way it needed. And because of that, I started experiencing body aches, migraine headaches, fatigue, and hormonal imbalances. My body was literally crying out for me to declutter. So that's when I needed to make some real changes, not just temporary fixes, but sustainable holistic shifts in my lifestyle. And as I started clearing out the things that were draining me, I found more energy, better hormonal balance, and a renewed sense of vitality. And today I want to share the 5 things that I started doing to declutter my health from the inside out. Now, these are simple, effective changes that can help you rebalance your body this spring and beyond. So the first spring cleaning tip is that I eliminated toxic cleaners. Our homes should be safe havens, but many cleaning products contain endocrine disruptors. These are chemicals that throw our hormones out of balance, and switching to natural alternatives like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils can help lower your toxic burden and support overall well-being. Now, if you'd like to know more about how you can eliminate toxins from your environment, I invite you to listen to podcast episode 182, Hormonal Imbalances that are Connected to Environmental Toxins and Holistic Approaches to Minimize Toxins in Your Home. The second thing that I did is that I had to eliminate processed foods. I was used to eating foods that left me feeling sluggish, bloated, and exhausted without even realizing that they were the culprit. Processed foods are full of artificial ingredients, unhealthy fats, and sugar, all of which can negatively impact hormones. And so focusing on whole nutrient-dense foods was a game changer for my energy and my health. You can listen to podcast episode 172, Your Diet is Wreaking Havoc on Your Hormones, where I share nutrient-rich foods to help achieve hormonal balance. The third tip is eliminating stress, because high stress means high cortisol levels, which means that can lead to weight gain, hormonal imbalances, and poor sleep. So I had to start prioritizing stress management, whether it was through prayer, deep breathing, journaling, setting healthy boundaries, knowing that it was okay to say no, or just taking those moments to slow down and just breathe. The fourth tip is that I had to get more sleep, because when I wasn't sleeping well, my body let me know through headaches, cravings, and chronic fatigue, and getting quality sleep, not just any sleep, became a priority. So if you're struggling with rest, try setting a bedtime routine, reducing your screen time before bed to create a restful and peaceful environment. The fifth and the final tip is exercising in the great outdoors. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I always loved working out, but I wasn't getting enough fresh air. Because spending time outdoors is powerful, because the sunlight helps to regulate hormones and movement supports metabolism, and nature itself is incredibly healing. Even a short walk outside can do wonders for your mood and your overall well-being. So let's wrap it all up. Spring is the perfect time to refresh, reset, and declutter not just our homes, but our health. And if you're ready to take it to the next level, don't miss my Feel Great with Get Fit 21 Spring Clean and Refresh Challenge. This is a 21-day journey that will help you to shed those extra pounds, boost your energy levels, and balance hormones in a fun and supportive space. We start on April 7th, and there are only a few spots left. You can join now at a special discounted rate with complimentary coaching. Click the link in the show notes to sign up. If you were blessed by today's show, please be sure to share it with a friend and leave a 5-star review on Apple Podcast. It truly helps more women to discover natural ways to feel their very best. Until next time, take care, embrace the season of renewal, and remember, you deserve to feel amazing. I'll leave you with Isaiah chapter 40, verse 31. But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not faint. Hey friend, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If so, would you take 30 seconds and share it with a friend who may want to have more energy and improve their health naturally? Also, I would love it if you could leave a quick review for the show on Apple Podcasts. It blesses me tremendously to know that this podcast is helping you. Alrighty then, it's time to go make a protein shake and go for a hike. No more days of feeling tired and drained. I'll see you in a few days for another episode. God bless.